Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making Ogbono, Ugu and Okro. Yeah, the three combination. And already inside the pot we have the meat we'll be using and stockfish. I've already added fresh pepper and onion. I actually blended the three together, and this is me adding salt and seasoning, just a cube. Yeah, so after which I will have to add the quantity of water I'll be using for the soup. I will then cover and allow it to steam. I'll come back after 5 minutes to check on it, and of course it's already boiling. I will have to stir. But first of all, let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, intended subscribers. Honestly, thank you. You guys are the best. And at this point, this is the ogbono we'll be cooking. I already blended it with crayfish, and like I always say, plenty crayfish. So I'll allow it to steam, and then the next thing is palm oil. Yeah, so I'll allow it to to continue boiling. I'll stir so that it doesn't get burnt underneath, and as you can see, the soup is already souping. So guys, I hope you consider subscribing. Okay, so the next ingredients is okra, and the next will be the vegetable. Like I always tell you, vegetable always come last, so that it will give you that nutrients. So this is so good, to be precise. I will then stir, and at this point, honestly, you see, the soup is for all my subscribers, old subscribers, new subscribers, intended subscribers, and to you contemplate whether to subscribe or not. I beg, do subscribe. Okay, do subscribe so that you will not be missing out in these wonderful episodes. Thank you. Okay, don't forget to like, comment and share, and most importantly, please subscribe. Okay, stop contemplating, just join us. Okay, love you, because this soup is for you. You see, the soup is coming right to your doorstep. Yeah, I'm bringing it to your doorstep.